Hi, it's Tanya from My Forking Life, and today I'm in the kitchen and I am making stir fry, but not any kind of stir fry. I'm making a green bean chicken stir fry inspired by a famous Panda Express dish. Now, I am going to do my spin on this method of cooking, and I'm going to do what's called velveting my chicken. Velveting your chicken is a way to get that chicken very nice and tender. It's something that a lot of Asian recipes or restaurants do. So whenever you get your favorite takeout and you notice that chicken is soft and silky, it's pretty much been velveted. Now I'm gonna use only baking soda to velvet my chicken, and it's gonna be pretty easy. First, what I do is I slice my chicken breast very thinly. And as you can see, I've got my knife that probably needs to be sharpened a little bit. Oh well. And I'm going to go ahead and thinly slice this chicken, and then I'm going to put it in a big bowl with about a tablespoon of baking soda, and I'm going to go ahead and stir that up, put it in my fridge, and make sure I wash my hands. Now I'm over to my veggies. I've got my green beans that I have trimmed by snapping off the ends. Got my garlic over there and my ginger here that I'm going to grate. We are going to make sure we want to prepare all of our ingredients. So I've got my onions here that I've already cut, and we're going to put those in bowls and prepare. We're also going to make our sauce. I've got some soy sauce here. I've got some dark soy sauce as well. I'm also going to use some rice vinegar as well as some sugar and a little bit of sesame oil, and I'm going to grab my whisk and whisk that together. And we're preparing this because stir fry goes fast. All right, so my chicken pieces have sat in that baking soda for about 30 minutes, and then I went ahead and rinsed them in the sink, and then I'm going to dry them with some paper towel. Now I'm over here at my wok. I've got a cast iron wok. I love this thing. I think it's so cool. And I let that wok heat up first, and then I add my oil. And after I've added my oil, I'm going to go ahead and add those chicken pieces. Now again, we have velveted them, so they are going to be so tender, and you don't have to velvet it if you don't want to. It's just something that I think is cool, and I do. Alright, so I like to season throughout cooking, so I have seasoned these chicken pieces with a little bit of salt and pepper, and I'm going to go ahead and stir fry that. That's going to take me about 4 to 5 minutes to get that chicken cooked enough to where I can set it to the side and prepare my other ingredients. Don't worry, we're going to add that chicken at the end and cook it some more. Alright, so I've got my onions that I've added to this wok, as well as that garlic and ginger, and then I'm going to add my green beans, and I am going to cook this for about a good 7 to 8 minutes because I don't want my green beans too crunchy, but I also don't want them too mushy. So it usually takes a while of just stirring to get those green beans nice and softened. So I've been cooking these green beans for about 7 to 8 minutes until they've softened. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my chicken back to my wok. And I'm also at this point going to add the sauce. And I'm going to give it all a stir. And I'm going to let that cook in the sauce for about 2 more minutes. So it's fully coated and ready to serve. And there you have it. Quick and easy, delicious green bean chicken, all cooked in a skillet. A quick, delicious weeknight meal with tender chicken that you've velveted. Velveted? Right.